Hey there, kids! Welcome to the underwater world, where the bubbles are our balloons, and the seaweed is our confetti. I'm Freddy the Fish, your fantastic friend for today. Let's dive into some fishy fun facts that will make you giggle and wiggle like a jellyfish. Did you know there are over 33,000 different kinds of fish in the world? That's like having 33,000 different flavors of ice cream. Imagine if I could taste them all. But wait, fish don't eat ice cream. We prefer plankton pasta and seaweed salad. Tasty, right? Speaking of eating, do you know goldfish have no stomachs? That's right. So, we have to nibble little bits all day long. It's like having snacks every minute. If humans had no stomachs, you'd probably carry a backpack of cookies everywhere you go. Wouldn't that be funny? Now, here's something cool. Fish don't need Google Maps. We use something called a lateral line. It's like a superpower that lets us feel tiny movements in the water. Imagine if you could tell who was sneaking up on you just by feeling the air move. Ninja fish mode activated. And hey, guess what? Some fish can fly. Yep, flying fish can leap out of the water and glide through the air. We call it ocean zoomies. But don't worry, they're not coming to take over your skies. Birds already have that job covered. Here's a funny one. Did you know clownfish, like Nemo, live in sea anemones? Those wiggly, squiggly plants are super sticky, but not for us. It's like living in a house made of glue, except we don't get stuck. We call it the sticky but safe zone. Now, let's talk about fishy names. There's a fish called the blobfish. It looks like a squishy, grumpy marshmallow. I bet if blobfish were superheroes, their name would be Captain Blobby, Defender of the Deep. What would your underwater superhero name be? And get this, parrotfish poop sand. Yes, sand. They chew on coral, and out comes sand. So the next time you're building a sandcastle, say a little thank you to the parrotfish. They're nature's beach makers. And here's a mystery for you. Why do fish never close their eyes? It's because we don't have eyelids. So, while you sleep with your eyes closed, we're out here practicing our best wide-eyed staring contest. Spoiler alert, I always win. Okay, kids, last one before I swim away. Did you know some fish can glow in the dark? That's right. Deep down in the ocean, there are glow-in-the-dark fish called bioluminescent fish. It's like having a flashlight on your head. Super handy if you're looking for snacks at midnight. See you next time. Don't forget to tell your friends you met a funny little fish. Bye-bye.